But so like the biggest takeaway for me was like when I finally just had to let it come out of my mouth that I was having some trust issues with just about any and everything, and I had to stop being such a micromanager. That really helped me because all of a sudden then more of my mission and my vision could flow. So then what I did was I took it and made it like an 85-second close so that I could actually present my business. And I just was talking to somebody. I've been practicing on people. So
Right.
I just was practicing on people that I meet, just talking to them, and it got clearer and clearer. And then finally, somebody who was a follower on my page, on my Instagram page, was like, "I thought you just did balloons. I had no idea that it was full service. So
Yeah.
can I rent this, and this? I didn't make a reservation for March of next year." And I'm like, "Well, shut up."
See what I'm
So
saying?
that works. And then the making things simple. I realized I won't be so disappointed because I mean I'm a teacher in my other life. So
Yeah.
when you said that, I was like, okay, if I just break it down like I break it down for my students, I won't be so upset if something I just take it from that frame of mind and then just go with them as they learn along the way.